Alright, so Fifine was actually nice enough to send over a Ampligame gaming mixer device for XLR. Since they do have the XLR on the AM8 microphone, which you guys love, we're going to be doing a comparison between the PD200X and the Fifine AM8. For now in this video, we're going to test out the Ampligame with the AM8. If you want to see the comparison between the PD200X and this microphone here, stay tuned and subscribe. We will have that out within the next couple of days. Plug and play, it's super easy. Let's go and check it out. And this is a new product, but it's already hitting the market really good. Everyone's loving it. You can see everything here, the user manual. Let's go and check this out. Only for line out. So this is for a TRS to TRRS cable for your phone, the mix amp here, as well as the cable here. Okay, Fifine, you actually listened. Smart. Thank you for listening. They did USB-C to C, but they also included this adapter. I love when they do that. Moano did it. They listened on that, and that's a game changer right there. Packaging is amazing. It's better than the other one that I've tried. I actually bought one for myself a couple days ago. I had to return it because this one was coming in, and I knew this one was going to be way better because of all these volume knobs. I requested it, and they finally sent it over, so here it is. So there's a bunch of different features on here. We're going to go through the user manual so we don't miss anything else, and we're going to go and set this up. So let's go and see you when we are at our desk. Okay. Fifine, I don't know what you guys are doing, but this is crazy. Okay, you got to see this for the first time. I'm sorry for the audio quality, but you just got to see how it is. Look at this. Doot, 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 doot. And then just, oh my God. Bro, the animations, and then look at this. Look at the volume. You see that? Look at the volume for all of it turning up. That is amazing. And then boom, got all the lighting right there. Let's go and show you how to set it up. So you're going to go to record voiceover right here. And then right here, you're going to go and click Fifine SC3 mono track. And now it's set, it's ready to go. All right, so we have the sound card right here. I'm not too sure if you're able to see it. I'll have a separate B-roll going for it, but it's cool that you can actually change the lighting effects that you can do on here just on the top corner. Or if you don't want them at all, you could turn it off. It goes through a bunch of different modes, which is pretty cool, and a bunch of different solid mode colors as well. The indicated turn on button is basically whenever you have some white indicator. Electric also goes through a ton of these weird features, basically. I wouldn't use it personally, but you can press and hold to turn that off as well. Voice changer is the
same thing. You have mail right here.
I'll get to that in just a second. For mic monitoring, you do want to use it on the headphone audio out for the back of the device, which is good that they have it on the back. Sometimes people would have it on the front. For me, I would honestly rather have it on the front. All of your headphone inputs on the front, and then the game and capture audio on the back. But, you know, nevertheless, it's still pretty good. Number one, you would definitely need to have a longer XLR cable, in my opinion, if you want it on a boom arm just like this. Otherwise, it's going to drag the microphone. So that's what that is. But overall, it's amazing. Whenever you do need to change the mic monitoring audio, since it does have 4 separate channels, one for line in, one for line out, one for headphone, and one for microphone. Is it following me? Oh, I guess it's following me. I don't know how it... I guess I got my own cameraman now. Anyways, what I was saying is it has 4 separate channels that you can automatically control, which is really helpful. So whenever you need to turn up the volume for the microphone itself, you can turn it up on the fly just like this, and you can hear it. You can also change the volume for mic monitoring, so your headphones, you can lower it or raise it up even more if you'd like to. Personally, I don't like to hear too much of my own self because then I can't hear my own thoughts, but at a good amount of pace is like if you were to hear it in real life, basically. Okay, apparently my cameraman has asked for a raise, so I had to fire him. So this is a just amazing sound card. You have LED indicators on the front, which tell you exactly how loud you are, like when you're talking and stuff. It also is an indicator for volume, so whenever you're changing the volume on certain stuff, it'll indicate on how loud it is, which is really cool. That's just a nice little touch of a feature. You do have 4 custom buttons on here as well that you can easily play back audio. So I'm going to play back some audio that I said before, just like this. What up, what up, what up, what up? All you have to do is literally just press and hold something and then boom, you just say it like that. So yeah, you can hear it on the fly. And that's cool that you can just replay clips that you do and it does save because I unplugged this and then plugged it back in. It saves on the actual sound card, which is pretty cool. So it's quick, it's on the fly, it works just like that. I'm gonna record a new one right now. So it'll illuminate when it starts recording and you can hold it up to about 15 seconds, which is really, really cool. And then I just let go. So it'll illuminate when it starts recording and you can hold it up to about 15 seconds, which is really, really cool. You could keep repeating it. So it'll illuminate. You could do that. It's pretty cool. So good for trolling videos. You know, you can capture people's audio on game chat or whatever. You could replay it to them. I've seen a bunch of clips on that. That's actually funny, bruh. You can do that. You can even troll voice with the voice changer that's built in. Personally, I've heard a bunch of people do this on multiple different games. It's annoying, to be honest, but if you want to be that guy, you could be that guy. Who knows? So we're going to try some of these voice changers. We're going to start off with the male version.
This is the male version. This is basically how you would sound if you had like a deep voice, supposedly.
Now we do have the female version, which actually just sounds annoying, so I'm not even gonna keep talking. It's annoying, bro.
We got a robot. So this is what the robot sounds like. You honestly probably couldn't even.
Yeah, those two you can't really hear, but it's robot and monster. You can't really distinguish what they're saying. But this one, it's baby, and you can hear exactly what they're trying to say, basically. And the next one is elder.
So this is elder, which is basically just male but old. Male old, yeah. You know what I mean.
You can turn this feature off if you just press and hold, which is really, really nice. So it gives you a lot of functionality. If you want to use these, you can. You can have some fun with it, which is really cool. It actually just makes your microphone experience kind of cool. It really does. You can use the condenser or dynamic switch option on the back of the microphone. So whether you have a dynamic or condenser XLR, or even if you don't even have an XLR, you can use your own headset or plug in a headset on the back, which if you're talking to people basically on chat and you have wired headphones, plug it into this, and then they can hear you and you can control all the audio just like that as well. Switch it to condenser, maybe turn on the 48-volt phantom power because it doesn't have that built in, which is cool. And yeah, just like this. That's just cool, bro. I love this sound card. It definitely makes it a lot better. I might have to do a bunch of testings, but I will show you what regular USB-C sounds like as well. But it makes it easy so you don't have to edit. You don't have to edit when you're basically in post-production. You don't have to. You could, but you don't have to. And it's also perfect for podcasting, and this thing keeps dragging, but basically it's perfect for podcasts. This one only has one USB input, and I believe they will have multiple that have 2, 3, and 4 in the future. So stay tuned for that. Right now, Fifine's doing a really good job. They're killing it. They're killing it in the game when it comes to microphones. This one's honestly probably better than the Moano PD200X. If you want to find out which one is better, make sure you like, comment, of course, to subscribe. We will have that video out very, very soon. So I'm just right now testing out this unit, and then we will have an updated video on to see which one's better. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next one. We out.